If you're looking to strategically organize your sales outreach and zero in on your best fit clients, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you step by step through how to add target accounts to HubSpot using the manual method. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to select and designate those high-priority companies in HubSpot, giving you and your sales team a clear roadmap to maximize efforts and close more deals with the right prospects. Let's dive straight in. First, we'll start inside your HubSpot account. Go ahead and navigate to the upper navigation bar and look for Sales. Click on Sales, then choose Sales Workspace. This is your home base for all things sales-related within HubSpot, so it's a spot you'll want to get familiar with. Once you're in the Sales Workspace, move over to the Prospecting tab. Think of the Prospecting tab as your cockpit for identifying potential leads and target accounts. It's designed to help you focus your attention where it matters most. Now, on the Target Accounts page, look toward the top right corner for a button labeled Choose Target Accounts. This button is your entry point to curating your list of the most important companies you want to pursue. Go ahead and click it. Once you do, you'll see a panel appear. This is where you select your source for companies. HubSpot gives you several options here, like All Companies in CRM or Companies from a List. So if you already have a list of companies you've researched or have imported, you can start from there. Otherwise, you might just want to browse through all available companies in your CRM. This flexibility lets you pull from whatever makes sense for your team's workflow. Maybe you're focusing on a niche industry. Use a specific filtered list. Or, if you're just getting started, All Companies in CRM might be the simplest choice. Don't worry if you're unsure which source to pick right now. You can always adjust your selections later. With your source selected, use the search bar to quickly find companies by name, industry, or any other identifier you've set up. You'll see results populate below. Here's where attention to detail pays off. For each company you want to mark as a target, simply tick the checkbox next to their name. You can select multiple companies at once, so take your time here. I'd recommend thinking strategically. Pick organizations that best align with your ideal customer profile or those with the highest potential value. Sometimes it helps to cross-reference your marketing research or recent engagement data before making selections. After you've made your picks, head down to the Choose Target Accounts button at the bottom of the panel and give it a click. HubSpot will now add these selected companies to your Target Accounts view. This is a powerful feature because it creates a centralized, prioritized list, making it so much easier to tailor your outreach, track progress, and measure results with your team. If you ever want to update or remove accounts, just repeat the process. And remember, refining your list is an ongoing strategy, not a one-time setup. And that's it. You've now manually added target accounts to HubSpot. This simple step will help bring structure and focus to your sales approach, so you spend less time chasing dead ends and more time engaging with leads that truly matter to your business. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more deep dives into HubSpot features. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.